10 a.m. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. No hazardous weather. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. And now the hazardous weather outlook.
This is the National Weather Service Office in Fort Worth. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning system for weather radio station K West North 31. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variation, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Collin, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Hill, Hood, Hunt, Kaufman, Parker, Rockwall, and Terre. This concludes the test of weather radio station KEC 56.
relative humidity 80%, wind count at 30.1.
The current time is 10:07 Central Standard Time.
Relative humidity.
You are listening to Our Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service. Station KEC 56.
48, South.
Dallas Fort Worth listening area. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 10 a.m. Elsewhere around the region, once again at 10 a.m. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North.